Welcome back in the shop with Dave. On this episode, I want to talk about some tips and tricks on installing that new Skyjacker suspension kit. That's snug. Check it out, all the big parts are in. The heavy leaf springs are in, the shocks are in, all of that. But don't go and tighten everything up all the way. You want to go ahead and get everything sort of snug, and then you come back after the fact, retorque your bushings and the leaf springs and your shackles. You want to torque your U-bolts when you got some weight on it, and then also make sure you come back in 100 miles and retorque those U-bolts, because these things, they basically are designed to stretch just a little bit. That's one of my tricks, but it's also in the instructions. So make sure you put the weight on this thing, get the springs to settle into where they want to be. You can torque everything then.